You planted your seeds, you took action, and now you're like, alright, universe, any minute now. I was driving home the other day, and I was literally about 1 street away, and I was at a standstill. Okay, there was like so many cars, it was definitely traffic time, and I was like, oh my God, I just want to go home. Like, I'm almost there, I could see it, I could feel it. And I started thinking, it's kind of like when we're waiting for shit to happen, for shit to manifest. That period right before, how do we go about it? I was like, what do I do in this time? Do I get frustrated and start, being pissed off that I'm literally 1 street away, but I can't move? You can choose how you play the waiting game. It actually goes by faster when you're in a higher vibration. I was like, you know what? What's the rush? I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna put on some beats, and I'm gonna start dancing, and I'm gonna start singing, and I'm gonna start vibing while I'm waiting. It's all about divine timing. So forget what your mind thinks when it should happen. It's when the universe makes it happen. So how we can accelerate the process and actually have fun in the meantime is to just be excited, be eager, be feeling good rather than feel anxious and feel like frustrated that it's not coming yet. Like Abraham Hicks says, like, feel good and the good things will come quicker. It's a matter of vibration. Choose to be excited. Choose to be excited with the unknown. You don't know how it's gonna happen. You don't know when it's gonna happen, but you know it's gonna happen. You wanna feel good in the process, in the journey. It's about the journey, not the destination. And we can dance it out. That's what I did. I danced it out in my car. And the next thing you know, I'm living the moment, and next thing you know, I got home. Maybe somebody in that car felt my vibe. I was like, yeah, okay, she's having fun. Like, let's make room for her. All to say is that vibe is so important while we wait for the shit to manifest. If we choose to see it from a more feeling good perspective rather than being impatient, rather than being frustrated and just being excited for what's to come. And we're like, oh, when's it coming? I know it's coming, but like, how is it coming? I'm excited, I'm open, and I'm still living in the moment. I'm still vibing and feeling good in the moment, even if it's not here yet. And then it'll come quicker. That's it, man. Okay, cool. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I thought it was funny. I was like, oh my God, like, I feel it, I'm right there, I'm almost home, but I'm not. So we can dance while we're waiting, and we'll forget about the actual what we're waiting for because we're having fun. We're feeling good right now. If you think this message can help someone, really appreciate it if you like, share, leave a comment. Maybe there's someone waiting in their car right now and you can send them this video to not get pissed off in the traffic, but instead to feel good and raise their own vibration while they're waiting. And then next thing you know, the traffic will smooth out because you won't even pay attention to that. I hope you guys have a dope day, and I'm sending you so much love. Peace and much love.